pa ba? Marami pa ako dito. Okay. Next item natin is for the adult edition. Who will be the first to bring me a 20 peso bill? Bill lang kailangan ko. Kasali dito, okay? Ayan, may question with Kendrick.
Good morning, everyone, cousins and pinsan of my wife. Thank you for coming, and let's enjoy the day. Thank you so much.
More English pa.
Ayan, alright. So, thank you so much, Daddy, for that wonderful message. Siyempre, upo muna kayo, sir. Kasi sasamahan niyo ako na mag-games. Kasi next part of this celebration, sabi ko nga kanina, we are here to have fun and make this truly unforgettable day kasi katapunin.
Yes.
Next item natin.
What's that?
How about bring me a cellphone na may crack ang screen? Ayun!
So dami
Hindi na yun ni Madam. Ayan, okay. So, here's your prize, ma'am. Next item. Asaan yung mga kids out there? Okay. Next item natin. How about bring me medyas?
Oh, black
Black
medyas.
na medyas
Black
ang
medyas.
kailangan ko. Black na medyas. Medyas ang kailangan ko. Itayo mo, sir! Itayo mo! Itayo mo, sir! Sino? White and black yan! Kailangan ko ng black! Black! Ayun! Okay, ayan. Bring me a payong. Payong ang kailangan ko kasi unpredictable yung weather. Umulan, umaraw? Wala? Wala? Ay, sige, next item tayo. How about bring me a relo? Relo ang kailangan ko. Relo, ito, ayun! Here's your prize. How about bring me a necklace? Necklace? Ito, umaba!
Nagkwama. Alis ko eh. Adi na kinalisan.
Mamimili daw ako doon sa dalaw. Alright. Next item. Ayan na. 2, 4, 6. Dalawa pa po. Dalawa pa ang kailangan ko. Ayan. Si Kuya Jeff daw dito. Dito daw. Ayan. Tapos dito ka din. Ay, paano? Okay. Alright. Ready? No coaching. 3. Action lang po. Yung ipapasa nyo sa harapan ninyo. Wala na po yung word. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Action! Raise the hand, ma'am. Ayun. Si ma'am, yung nauna. What is your answer, ma'am? Chicken is correct. Okay, ganun po. Okay, let's do this. Ayan, sino pa po yung gusto mag-greet kay Kendrick? Mag-choose ako. Ayun si Sir. Ano yung wish and greetings mo para kay Kendrick?
Happy birthday. Have a good day.
Ayun. How about si Manny? Happy birthday, Kendrick. And we have the boy. Listen to your papa. Okay. How about naman si
Eksakto ay
Manny?
magbibig ka, di ba?
Wish and greetings mo para kay Kendrick sa kanyang birthday.
Kendrick, happy birthday. God bless you and grow up with the fear of the Lord.
much po. So, may I request everybody to please stand? Tayo. Happy birthday to you. Mas mabilis naman. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Rick Rick!
Alright, you may now blow your candle, but before that, make a wish first. Ayan.
Anya, ito wish mo?
One more time. Make a wish first. Ayan. Ano yung wish mo ngayong baka matupad?
Anya, tiket mga ipagatang. Anya,
Anya ti wish ni Kedrick nga ta? Tama birthday na.
anya.
Ayan, at napanuno na. Yung machine. Smile! One more time. Walking pose. 3, 2, 1. Smile! Okay. Alright,
Papa,
let's do this.
Papa.
Let's
Papa.
do this. Face the camera here. 3, 2, 1. Smile! Ayan, walking pose naman. Walking pose. Ayan. Alright, face the camera. 3, 2, 1. Smile! Alright, thank you so much. Ayan, walking pose naman ang kailangan namin. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Smile!
Oh, thank you for the ice cream so good. My delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream
Adanti drinks, ang kagala.
yummy.
Kubi?
Singing happy birthday songs again and again. Hey, hey, it's a magical birthday. Hey, now it's a magical birthday. Your friends drive around, decorating the town. Hey, now it's a magical birthday. The band and parade will start precisely